Ever wonder why your Spanish sounds textbook while natives speak more beautifully? Today I'm breaking down why practicing with native speakers is the ultimate fluency hack. Number one, crack the code of real Spanish. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué pasó? And tuani. Well, those are things that Anna, my friend from Nicaragua, says all the time when speaking Spanish. Here's the thing. Native speakers teach you the Spanish that they actually use. Think about idioms like estar en las nubes, to daydream, or Mexican slang like no manches, like no way. Secrets most courses skip. You can only learn them when you practice with native Spanish speakers. The fact is that 68% of daily Spanish uses informal expressions. So, what are you going to do about it? It's simple. Start practicing with native speakers. Number two, fix your pronunciation in real time. When you practice with natives, they spot subtle errors instantly. That rolled R, they'll show you the tongue trick live. Studies show that immediate corrections improve pronunciation 40% faster. Number three, cultural fluency equals next level understanding. Language isn't just words. It's why some Latinos say mande instead of que. It's polite, especially when they're talking with older people. And why is this important? Cultural context reduces misunderstandings by 62%. The only way to learn about those things is by practicing with native speakers. Number four, from frozen to fluid, real world practice. As our students say, with natives who are learning English, we're not afraid to make mistakes. They correct us right away, but nicely. Hablamos español. It's about building confidence, not perfection. Number five, the confidence domino effect. Notice how all success stories involve native guidance. It's not magic. It's mimicking how we learned our first language. ¿Listo para transformar tu español? Start today and swap 30 minutes of app drills for real conversations with native speakers. Drop your breakthrough moments below and smash subscribe.